Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 available on Android devices? So I already installed and set up the application what HUAWEI offer for the earbuds. It calls HUAWEI AI Life. And in the application we can check a list with supported devices. So we need to open the application, then click to add device and select add manually. Then click at the entertainment and select earphones. So if the application available for these earbuds, we can find them at the device list, and you can just check the application or use a search and write FreeBuds or just Pro 4. And right here we have these earbuds, so my short answer is yes, the application available on Android devices. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!